Yeah, I don't know. It looks weird. She looks like Goldilocks or something. Yeah, that's exact Kira. You get it. She doesn't have that in the skin. So they like ruined her expression. Does it come often? I don't think so. Like maybe once a month. This won't time out anyway, so. But yeah, it's okay. Honestly, there's worse music skins than the Sabrina one. Like the Karol G one is one of the worst I've ever seen. Like that's probably Karol G and Lady Gaga, probably the worst music skins like ever. Like just awful. Oh, naughty? I'll get this guy out. Good save. Oh my god, that grab was like, it almost slid me down with it, but oh. GG's. Yeah, Dumpworm, welcome in. How you doing today? GG off server. You saw that grab, just that it was horrendous. I don't know how I lived. Alright, guys. USA Solos, Web Pink, ready on the go. Doing good, you? I'm doing pretty good. Just doing some falling of the guys today. We'll probably do Fortnite soon, maybe. I'll see. Like, I'm gonna be honest, do I want to play Fortnite? Not really. But I'm gonna be, I don't know if there's much more to play. Whenever I get paid, I'm getting that Schedule 1 game though. I want to stream that. Stream some Schedule 1. No to what, Nuggy? What is it? Like the Schedule 1 game? I think it's like a, it's like you run your own, like, drug empire. No to Fortnite? You don't like Fortnite at the moment, Nuggy? Yoshi, are you here? What's your opinion on the Sabrina skins? I was watching someone play that before. I didn't know that was called though. Yeah, Schedule 1. Well, guys, is worse than Fort. I'm gonna be honest. No, at the moment, I don't think so. Not even. I don't think so. Like, definitely not for me. Reload loot pool is awful, and this season of Fortnite is atrocious. Have you seen any gameplay, Just a Dad? It looks really fun, I'm not gonna lie.